Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am very excited because I haven't posted a video in like a month. Like, what's up with you? Yeah, a month. So I decided today I was doing a video, and today I want to do a new YouTubers tag, right? So I have some questions here that I'm gonna answer. So without further ado, let's get into. Alright, so these are the questions. The first question says, what is your name? My name is Shanaki Bailey, and the name of my channel is Shaki. What does the name of your channel mean? Shaki is kind of shortened for Shanaki. I didn't really want to write Shanaki on the channel as my channel name, so I just decided, just Sha and K. I don't know, it doesn't really have a well formatted meaning. Where are you from? I am from Jamaica, and specifically I am from Trelawney, Jamaica, but I now live in Clarendon. Yeah. Why did you start a YouTube channel? I love the idea of filming. I have always loved YouTube and everything. I just love to see people, they sit down in front of a camera and you just see them make videos and so on. It was just so interesting to me. So I just decided one day I just get up and I started with a makeup video actually. And first things first, I said, I started with a makeup video first, right? And I got no views whatsoever, no views, no likes, nothing. And I deleted that video and I started over and I made another makeup video. So I started again with a makeup video, and then I sent it to some persons on Snapchat and all my friends in my contacts, and I started getting the views, and then persons were giving me comments, and I love that. And I said, this is really great. I love especially the editing part of it. It is so great. I love the editing part of it. It's so creative and so on. So that is why I started the channel, for the love of it. I just love it. It's just so interesting to me. What will your channel be about? My channel is about nothing specific, because right now I have videos on makeup. I have vlogs. I have mostly vlogs, but generally when I started I wanted it to be mostly makeup, DIYs and so on. I haven't gotten around to doing my DIYs as yet, but I have some in store, and trust me, I am planning on making more videos and making them more constantly, because as I said, I haven't made a video in months. Like, I have been on YouTube for practically about 3 or so months, and my last video was like last month, which was in September, when I posted my birthday vlog. So yeah, so I want my channel to be a lot of things, basically everything in combined. I want beauty stuff, hair stuff, I want tags, challenges, vlogs, DIYs, everything. Good. What do you hope to achieve with your channel? I hope to entertain people, to entertain myself, to just build on my skills, because if anybody knows me, I love to do new things. Like, I get bored easily when I'm doing one thing, and YouTube just have different things that I can do. So I have, as I said, beauty stuff, hair stuff, that's all different things, and then the editing part of it is just so amazing. So I hope to achieve all of that. Top 3 favorite YouTube. Oh my god, my top 3, my number 1 top favorite YouTuber would have to be Jake Paul. Like, oh my god, Jake is like the most awesome vlogger. He's the most awesome YouTuber ever. He was actually one of the reasons why I wanted to start a YouTube channel, because seeing how much fun he had in his YouTube videos just made me want to, you know, start my journey. Yeah, and my second would have to be Tila. I'll put her name here for you to see, because I can't spell it, so I'll have to put it here. Alright, so yeah, Tila is like, she's fun as well, so she will be my second. And my third, I don't even know who is my third, you know? I swear, those two have to be my top. I swear, I don't know. But if I should put somebody third, probably Jake Paul brother, Logan Paul. But I'm almost sure it's not him. But I'm gonna just put him for now, because I don't even remember anybody else right now. But those two, they are my best. Who inspired you to start a channel? I was mostly inspired, as I said, by Jake Paul and Tila's videos, and you know, I just thought to myself, this is fun, let's just do this. And yeah, 3 things we should know about you. 3 things. I am shy. Very shy. I don't talk much to people. I want to talk to people, but sometimes, you know, when you're talking to people and you find yourself in this awkward position where, you know, you don't know what to say to people, and you know, because when I'm in front of a camera, it's kind of different from seeing a person and hearing or even seeing their reaction. It's kind of different, you know. So yeah, that's one thing about me. And also another thing is that I love to sing and dance. Well, I love to sing, I love to dance, I love to sign. I can do a little bit of sign language, I can do a little bit of dancing, and I can do a lot of singing, because I love to sing. That is one. Those are stuff about me. And I will do a TMI tag soon, hopefully very soon. Yeah, so you guys will get to know more about me. What is the hardest thing about becoming a YouTuber? The hardest thing is knowing if you'll be recognized, knowing if anyone will ever see your videos, knowing if anyone will ever like your videos, knowing if, you know, you'll be criticized, if you'll be bullied. You know, most persons might not think about that stuff, but I kind of think of mostly the struggles I might have, because, you know, no one wants to put out a video, you know, make time to make a video, edit the video, put time into something, and then no one gets to see it. So, you know, everybody wants to know that somebody's actually watching their video. So that is one of the hardest things I think is in becoming a YouTuber. And then my final question is that, do you have any tips or advice for others who are just starting a YouTube channel? Alright, if you're just starting YouTube, be yourself. Don't expect that, you know, the subscribers are gonna come overnight. Like, I have been on YouTube for probably half of the year already, and I have like, what, 70 something subscribers. By the way, subscribe. So that's my advice to new YouTubers. Just be you, be true to yourself. Do not come on YouTube and, you know, be who you're not. Don't pretend to get views. Do not go against your values to get views, because I'm a Christian. I'm not gonna be on here cursing bad words, doing anything outside of my religion or outside of my beliefs to get views. Your girl ain't gonna do that. So yeah, just be true to you. So yeah, that is the end of my new YouTuber tag. I hope you enjoyed my video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my video. And I will see you next time in my other videos.
Got him. I feel like Usain in the cheetah print.